Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is Thai style curry. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of Thai curry paste, 1 tin of coconut milk, 2 chicken breasts, 1 pepper, mark 2 and rice to serve. First, we thinly slice the chicken. Today I'm using mini breasts. They are slightly cheaper in the supermarket. Then we slice the pepper. Add a tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of Thai green paste to the pan. You can make it more or less depending on your taste buds. Heat for about 5 minutes until it starts to sizzle. It gives off a wonderful fragrance. After 5 minutes, add the coconut milk, the chicken, and the vegetables, and simmer for about 10 minutes, making sure the chicken is cooked before you serve. This is also a great dish. You can vary the vegetables, so you could use things such as green beans, courgettes, broccoli, anything you really have in your fridge, even onions. It's just great to mix and match. You can also make it vegetarian by taking the meat out of it and maybe adding some tofu. And once it's cooked, add soy sauce to taste.